Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is Mia. Are you ready to learn about verbs? Let's go! Verbs express an action or something that a noun does, such as hop, kick, drive, or speak. And remember, a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So an action verb is something that a noun does, right? In these sentences, let's think, what did the noun do? Let's look at the first one together. Read with me. The boy jumped over the fence. Who is this sentence all about? The boy, right. And what did the boy do? The boy jumped. Nice work. Okay, next sentence. Read with me. Melissa hopped up and down. Who is this one about? Melissa, right. And what did Melissa do? She hopped. Perfect. Okay, now let's read the third one. The dog licked the ice cream off the ground. This sentence is about the dog, right? And what did the dog do? It licked. Nice job. Jumped, hopped, and licked are all action verbs. Let's practice. On the sentence, the boy hopped up and down. Can you find the verb? Did you choose hopped? Great job. Hopped is the verb because that is what the boy did. Okay, next one. The dog ate the food. Did you choose ate? Nice. Now, third sentence. The girl put the book on the table. Put. Great job. All of these are things that they did. Now, can you add a verb to these sentences with me? The girl blank before crossing the street. What did the girl do? Well, she may have done several things, but I think looked will work well here. Okay, on to the second one. The dog blank. What did the dog do? Well, he could have jumped or barked. For this sentence, I'm going to say ran, but any of the other ones would be fine too. Okay, last one. The boy blank with the songs on the radio. What do people usually do with a song? Let's say sings. Awesome job. Dances would also work for this one. Sometimes different verbs can fit into the sentence. All right, so now that you've practiced, remember, a verb is an action or something that the noun does. Now you're ready to master your quiz, and remember to always be clever.